Introducing a new creative tool that instantly turns any iPad into a full-fledged graphics tablet. A creative tool with uncompromised image quality that offers a full retina, blazing fast display with speeds up to 60 frames per second that you can use with any creative tool on your Mac. Whether over wireless or USB, it offers total creative freedom in the studio or on the go. And with wide support for a variety of pressure-sensitive pens, it gives you the freedom to work with your favorite stylus tools. Introducing Astropad, the easiest way to turn your iPad into a professional graphics tablet.